Hey, this is Marcos with Future Studio University. In this video, we will look at help text provided by ACE. When creating commands in ACE, you usually provide a type of description or adding help text or whatever. And looking at our hello command over here, you see that we have the signature for the command hello, providing an argument called name and two aliases for friendly and a grumpy greeting. And all arguments and definitions and flags have a descriptive text. So the description itself for the hello command is, let's switch to iTerm, is provided here. Say hello to a stranger. So we could update this to another string and it will automatically be picked up by ACE and provided over here. Alright, there you go. It's a personal name which we added just a second ago. And now you can use the -h flag over here, which is the same output as before. But now if we go for the hello command and use the -h flag, you will see that it will automatically render the help text for the hello command. Over here you can see the hello command accepts an argument for the name and a list of options. So the argument's name is a greeting for your personal name. And let's check. Greet your personal name. It's over here. So this part after the colon taken from ACE will be provided as a help text in the command line. And it's the same for the flags. So a personal greeting, a friendly greeting, a grumpy greeting, everything is provided over here. And this again is the descriptive text which is provided by the description method. This is from here. It's a great way of ACE to generate nicely looking help text where you can see what arguments are accepted, what options are available as flags, and how to use them, like just a -- friendly version or a shortcut with -f. It's a really nice output, and use this help text for good. Help your users and help your coworkers to use your command line interface. In the next video, we will be a little more interactive and we will let the user input text on the terminal and wait for the input text and read it from the standard input. So see you on the next video.